This is not a personal production nor generated by AI. Hello, this is Muhammad Sabagh, interested in global transformation trends in education leadership and AI literacy and policy. In this video, I'm going to share with you an overview of how the global education is being rebuilt. This video is for policymakers, educators from all roles, and researchers who are looking for where education trends are heading towards. Over the past 2 years, I have been immersed in analyzing peer-reviewed studies, international policy frameworks, and also postgraduate researches that published recently in 2024 and 2025. One clear message became impossible to ignore. Education is not being upgraded, it is being rebuilt. And that transformation is reshaping education into four core different dimensions: policy, leadership, teaching and learning, and the future skills. Let's break this down starting from the top.